Welcome back to the workshop again, lads. Look at this for good service. Parts already on. Looked at this machine yesterday, had to order parts for it. Posted the video of the repairs last night and to work this morning. What's sitting at the front door? New brushes just arrived. That's some good service from Makita or International Tool Industries, who actually supply these parts. You don't get better service than that. So this is just a wee follow-up video just to get this machine up and running. Problem with it was the brushes, and as well as the brushes, it's probably going to need a lead. There's insulating tape on a lead, and then next to that I always replace them. If they're going to fail a pat test, I don't let them out until they're right. Now these brushes are actually sided. That's why I had to order them. You can't doctor brushes to get them to fit. The problem with these ones is they're not centered. So the brush is off. So the lead's off to one side, and the actual notch where the spring is sitting is off to one side. You could use another set to get this going, but you'd rather just leave it right. This one, generally, you wouldn't be too concerned about getting it up and running. Nobody's in that big a panic. But today is Friday, and it's a bank holiday weekend. And this man needs this machine, so we don't want to leave him stuck for a long weekend with no grinder. So we're getting this one going for him, so he has plenty to do over the long weekend. So the brushes were popped. That's how we know it's definitely the brushes. Also, we want to change this lead. Nice handy fix, this one. Shouldn't take too long to do. Quick and easy as that to replace a lead. Just reuse the old plug. It's a good, yeah, back to the old standard fuse. Bit of tin foil. Still get boys leaving them on like that. Fuse blows. Instead of getting a new one, just wrap a bit of metal, wrap a bit of tin foil around it. Keeps you going. Just not the safest thing in the world. Just need a fuse here now. That should be everything we need. The question is now, does she work? That's her. One Makita GA 9060. It's the only one I didn't get fixed yesterday. Up and running again with just a new set of brushes and a cable. Just a nice wee bit of service from the supplier. Able to send you in the parts very next day. Thanks for watching, lads. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a wee quick one today. Stay tuned for more. I'll have a couple more longer videos being posted next week. And if there's any other format ideas or types of videos you'd like to see posted, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Give us a like and a follow in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks.